Hello friends. Welcome to PGEUP Tutorials. Today we going for our second class of Camtasia Complete Learning course. In this class we are going to learn about library section. So friends, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's start. You will see the library folder here. Click here and you will find different kinds of libraries there. Play the video to check how it looks like. So this is the library section. In the upcoming lecture we'll discuss further sections. And if you like our video, please like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us.